So my garage door needs help. It's a bit loud. It's a bit rusty. It's a little old. Maybe a little more than little. And it has huge holes all around it that allow snakes, rodents, all kinds of stuff in it. We need to fix that. Let's get dirty. So in this video, I'm so happy to have teamed up with 3-in-1 to showcase the Garage Door Lube. The Garage Door Lube will help me fine-tune my garage door. So my first task involved removing the old, disgusting garage door bottom weather seal. It took me a minute to get this going, but eventually I got this off. But not after being super grossed out. And yes, I did take a minute to celebrate. And now with the old weather stripping removed, now I'm installing a new weather stripping. The problem I was having with the new weather stripping was it was not budging. So I took up the 3-in-1 Garage Door Lube and applied it to the crevice under the door and removed any gunk. And finally, with the help of a friend, the seal started to move. And that's where we ran into a whole nother problem. I didn't consider that the travel up and down needed to be adjusted for the thickness of the new weather seal. And I also didn't consider the placement of the ladder when I got up there to try and adjust the travel of the door. So that's when the door hit the ladder and it came tumbling down and off the rails. But in the grand scheme of things, it probably was a good thing because it revealed that my rollers were rusted, pulley system was old and outdated and didn't have the safety features of a new door. And thankfully, my garage door guy came in and helped me get back on track. Literally. So to cover any additional gaps between the floor and the garage door, I installed a floor weather seal. And so to help with the longevity and operation of my garage door, I applied the 3-in-1 Garage Door Lube to various points of my garage door, starting with the rollers. I want to prevent rust and corrosion with these new rollers. I applied it to the hinges, to the new pulley system, how shiny that is, to keep it from rusting. And then for a quieter, smoother ride, I made sure to apply it to the tracks. And I didn't want to forget the spring. If you remember earlier, I applied it under the door to reduce friction when installing the weather stripping. And that's how I tuned up my garage door. But of course, if you look outside my garage door, it looks a whole lot different from when I first started this. Welcome to the start of my new home renovation. Next, let's tackle the exterior of the garage door. As you can see, the paint color, cladding, well, it's seen better days. Stay tuned. What is that?